Okay guys, so it is my face time reveal. Okay, I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know what I am. If you don't know guys, I'm actually eating strawberries. This is kind of bad. Okay. And if you don't know this, I don't know. Bro, my leg is keep hurting. Okay. So if you don't know guys, I have a 5,000 note. 5,000 note. Look, this is mine. Okay. It's actually mine, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Take a fire. Where's the 5,000? This is actually the 5,000 note. Let's keep it here. It is 5,000 note. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's actually 5,000. And I got from my parents. Okay. I'm gonna keep it over here. This is the new guys. Okay. Seriously. Okay. So guys, wait, I'm gonna change some. Okay, let's do it now. AKBAR. That's actually wait. AKBAR. That's actually my name. Let's try. No. Just again. Okay, AKB. Why did I get name wrong? Okay, again. Do something good. Good.